Hi kings and queens, I'm here at Aldi to do a store walkthrough, so if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alrighty guys, they have the snow crab clusters up there for $16.99, the jumbo scallops at $13.99, and the base scallops are $6.99. So the black tiger shrimps, $11.99. The wild caught pink salmon for $5.99. Then they have the mussels in garlic butter sauce for $3.49. Wild caught flounder, $5.49. They have the 20 hash browns patties for $5.49. You also have the medium cooked shrimp for $5.35. Seafood mix for $6.99. It's a perfect blend of raw shrimp, calamari, baked scallops, and mussels. Over here in the bag chicken, they have the buffalo crispy chicken for $6.75. And then they have the breaded chicken breast patties for $4.99. Live G free chicken breast bites. And the General Tso's chicken, $7.29, I'm sorry. Whole wheat made with protein cinnamon French toast sticks. Buttermilk biscuits, you get 12 of these. It's on encrusted tilapia. So here is a berry figgin' good organic smoothie. So good, guys. I bought this on last week and it is absolutely delicious. So it is definitely a go on this one. Swedish style meatballs. And this is a 26-ounce bag. They also have the catfish here. Crusted flounder is $6.99. So this one is the tortilla. They have the macadamia and they also have the coconut. Potatoes O'Brien, $2.49. Ooh, it's heavy. Yes, so you get a 28-ounce bag on these, $2.49. You also have the Hasselback potatoes with Parmesan cheese sauce. First time ever that I've seen this is a 3-pack Mama Cozy cheese pizza. Oh my goodness, it's a 3-pack. And I've never seen this one here before. This is the Belgian Boys Original Crepes, a European classic, quick and easy. Yes, so I'm gonna look for the price on this one as well. They also have the pancakes, bite-sized pancakes. Oh, it looks delicious. I'll look for the prices on these items, guys, and put it up on the screen when I get it, okay? Alrighty, a 24-pack of spring water is $3.49. Marinated pork tenderloin is $3.79 per pound. Right here, this one is with peppercorn. They also have the pork loin in the garlic herb. Seasoned pork loin roast is $2.99 per pound. This one is garlic and pepper, and then they have another one in rosemary. Sober Latino mango or passion fruit juice for $1.99. First time seeing this one. Ooh, that looks so good. I think I want one of these. Yes. And this one. Okay. Jelly slices for $3.79. Okay. Baby Swiss. And provolone. The Deli Slice Oven Classic Turkey Breast for $3.19. They also have the honey turkey breast. We have the salami for $3.19. And sliced ham is $3.19, and Black Forest ham is $3.19 as well. If you want to see all of the new finds, it'll be in the video before this one. Men's or ladies touchscreen gloves for $7.99. The ladies winter boots for $19.99. Another pick of mine is this men's or ladies Sherpa quarter zip top for $14.99. Isn't that cute? Yeah. Another pick of mine is this double wall glass pitcher for $12.99. Gooseneck electric kettle, $29.99. And the 2-quart tea kettle for $12.99. Silicone bakeware is $3.99. That was a pick. That stand mixer for $49.99. That was one of my picks. The Awesome Pot, that is $29.99 is one. The Holiday Canvas Bins is one for $9.99. The Nostalgic Tree for $19.99 was one of my picks. LED Holiday Figurine for $12.99. That was one of my picks. Yeah, I thought I'd give you all a little quick look on my picks for today. Like I say, I have a video dedicated to all new finds on Aldi every Wednesday. So if you want to see all of their new finds, it's going to be in the video before this one. Fake house pie crust is $2.49. Specially Select Premium Cookie Dough is $3.19. This one is new. It is the Charcuterie Tasting Board for $8.99. It has the salami, the olives, cheese, the crackers, dark chocolate covered almonds, and nugget salami. Whole grain mustard is $2.99. This is 12 ounces. Nescafe Classic Coffee is $6.68. Then they have the regular or decaf instant coffee for $3.69. And this is what I get, the one with the red top, and I love it. Oh yes. There's the peach tea, 160 calories on that one. This is the diet. 10 calories on this one. Okay. Oh, they have the unsweetened black tea here for $5.45. Okay. Oh, these are cute. So this is the Frosted Bite-Size Shredded Wheat Assorted Varieties for $2.25. So we have this one. This is the Frosted Shredded Bite-Size Wheat Lightly Sweetened Whole Grain Cereal. And this is the blueberry. And they have the strawberry. Cranberries for $1.49, guys. First time seeing these. And here they have the cantaloupe chunks for $3.29. Nice. The blueberries are $4.29. The cilantro up here is 85 cents. Blackberries are $2.35. The rainbow pack berries, they are $4.49. Spinach and artichoke stuffed mushrooms, $4.29. It looks delicious. They have the asparagus. It's a 1-pound bag for $2.99. We also have the Brussels sprouts for $2.49 in a 1-pound bag. Yes. Little salad bar has coleslaw for $1.69. And salad, $1.79. This vinaigrette, apple thyme, and ginger for $3.49. And you get 11 ounces on those. The 6-pack of croissants are $3.99. And those are by Specially Select. Then they have the Bake Shop ones for $3.49. The organic seeded bread assorted variety is $4.69. Ooh, it is heavy. Yes. 13 grams of whole grain, 3 grams of fiber, 5 grams of protein, and 780 milligrams of omega-3. Okay. This one has 21 grams of whole grain. Okay. Okay, the cream-filled wafer rolls, they are $3.99. They have this almond flour birthday cake cookies for $2.69. They also have the chocolate chip. The Oreos, they are double stuffed Oreos, party size, $5.49. Oreo also have golden and the mint party size for $5.49. The Chips Ahoy is $5.49, the party size. Yes. The eggs went up just a little bit at $1.21 a dozen, and the milk came down about 10 cents, which is $1.93 for the gallon size. Organic premium on 100% assorted juices for $3.79. Antioxidant power 100% juice. This is the immunity blend 100% juice. Okay, then they have the sparkling red or white grape juice cocktail for $2.99. Oh, okay. Especially Select has this gourmet pasta assorted for $2.49. So it's this one, and they have the shells. Pretty colors. High voltage ground coffee in dark is $4.99. Strongest coffee. Oh my goodness. Whoa. They have Nutella for $3.45. They have this premium pasta sauce assorted varieties for $5.48. Built bars, brownies, batter puff, or coconut puff, they are $9.98. Okay. 140 calories and 7 grams of sugar. That's on the coconut, and on the brownie batter is 17 grams of proteins, 140 calories, and 6 grams of sugar. All right, friends, that's it here today at Aldi in the food section and the brief little new find section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you like the content, consider subscribing to the channel. And yes, please share my content with others. Thank you all again, and I'll see you all in the next one.